Today I'm going to show you how to change the light bulb on this Husqvarna Viking 5710. I've got another video where I introduce this machine and I give you some tips on its use. If you've watched that, you'll know that I'm a bit of a fan of it. But I have just found something that I don't like about this sewing machine, and that is it's very awkward to change the bulb, but you can do it. So here's what you do. So first of all, make sure that the sewing machine is not plugged in. Very important. Now, looking in the manual how to do this, it makes it sound incredibly simple. Now, the bulb is in here, okay, and it's a bayonet bulb, bayonet fitting light bulb, which I'll show you in a moment. Now, it's quite easy to get the bulb out. It's getting the new one back in that is difficult. So if you put your hand in here, and it's a bayonet fitting, which I'll also show you separately, and you push the bulb up into the machine, just give it a quick turn to the left. Now here's the bulb. I was only able to get it back in by turning the machine upside down. I found this almost impossible to do. If you struggle at all with your hands, I would get a friend or a relative to help you do this, because it's really awkward. So I'm going to tip it upside down, and I'll be balancing it against these baskets, but you could also balance it on a cushion or a pillow or something like that. I would recommend that you find the groove inside, which I'll show you as well, that the bayonet sides go into. Position it down those first without trying to do it blind, because making the turn inside is actually really hard. So then you push it up again and then just turn it to the right like that inside. But as I say, I couldn't do this without turning the machine upside down, and it doesn't say that in the manual. So that's the best way to do that. Turn it back up, plug it back in. And it's working again. You might find it easier to take a photograph of where the bulb is, or to use the light on your phone, or get somebody to help you. There's no point opening the back of the machine. It doesn't help you do the bulb. I did try that, it didn't make any difference. It was no easier to access the bulb. If this video has helped you, please hit the like button. And why not subscribe for more videos like this? Thanks for watching.